अहमदिया आर्काइव एंड रिसर्च सेंटर है एक, ये भी अल्लाह ताला के फजल से बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है। मुख्तलिफ जमाती तारीख़ें हैं इनको महफूज करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
The Ahmadiyya Archive and Research Center was established in 2014. Its purpose was to collect all material of historical importance to the Ahmadiyya Muslim community. The Ahmadiyya Archive and Research Center has been exhibiting at the Jalsa Sana since 2016, and this year they have a number of artifacts on display for the viewers to see. So I'm here with Jalis, who works in the Ahmadiyya Archive and Research Center, and he will show us around the exhibition himself.
So welcome to the Ahmadiyya Archive and Research Center. So basically what we have here is important and historical documents by the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat. For example, here we have the Prophet Messiah board. So this whole board is dedicated to the Prophet Messiah Islam. And over here we have the original copies of the first edition books that he wrote. One thing which is really interesting is that obviously the Prophet Islam wrote his books in different languages: Urdu, Arabic, Farsi. One book that he wrote to Queen Victoria, he wrote in Urdu, and then in his lifetime he got it translated into English and sent that off. This board over here is the Burukat of Prophet Islam. So these can be letters that were written to the Prophet Islam, letters that the Prophet Islam received and he signed off. This over here is the original copy of the Prophet Islam's Ilhamat, which he would write down. And over here you can see Inni Ma Qiyam Sur is written over here. So these kind of things, like yearly round, they're not really available for everyone. So when people come here, they really find it quite interesting. But here we have Hazrat Muslim's board when Hazur came to London. When Hazrat Muslim came here in 1924, that was when the first UK Shura happened. So this was just recently discovered by the Archives Research Center. And over here we have because when Hazur came in 1924 was when he laid down the foundation stone for Fazl Mosque. So this is the plan that was made by the architect of Fazl Mosque, he was T.H. Mawson. He was a very famous architect who designed the layout and the plan for Fazl Mosque. So the main highlight this year is the Tabarrukat that we are displaying. And over here we have a copy of the Holy Quran with the Hazrat Muslim's notes on them. So Hazur would have his own copy and then he would take notes on the page next to it as well. So this is something really historic and something really rare. Over here in this cabinet we have the Tabarrukat of the Prophet Islam. So over here we have a piece of the Prophet Islam's waistcoat. And here if you look above this, you can see pieces of the Prophet Islam's hair, which is inside this. And then here we have the Prophet Islam's piece of his towel that he used.
يا رب صل على نبيك دائما في هذه الدنيا وبعث إنساني.